Hello peeps, hello world. For today's video is all about the homemade carrot cream. So I have here my carrot cream. Look, so soft, and yeah, it's for glowing skin. As you can see, I made this last week to try for myself if it's working or not. And yeah, it's working. So now I have to make a new batch for all my body. Ganun. So yeah, let's start.
People always tell me all night and day that I shouldn't let her treat me this way. How can she understand that I love her? And to me she's a queen. She's a queen, she's a queen, she's a queen. I try to stay away from her, but when she's gone, my life is a blur. How can she understand that I need her? And to me, she's a queen.
So let's start. We need a very clean bowl. Yan. And so we can mix all the ingredients, and my mason jar, it's cleaned. So let's start. All we need is my DIY carrot oil. So I'll link down the video if you are interested on how to do DIY carrot oil. I use coconut carrier oil. So depends on your preference. What oil would you like to use? For me, because I'm oily, so I use coconut oil. So yeah, up to you guys kung anong gusto nyo. Kasi if you have dry skin, you have to use more of the oleic acid, the carrier oil that has more of the oleic acid, while if you are oily like me, you have to use carrier oil that has more of the linoleic acid. Ganon. And yeah, carrot oil, and I have here my lavender essential oil. It's optional if you want to put some or not. And vitamin E, and my, what's this? Nakalimutan. My aloe vera gel. And let's start mixing. Everything should be clean. And now let's start the mixing. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of my aloe vera, and then just 2 teaspoons of 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil, and let it mix until it become creamy. Some small portion. I think I'm gonna add more. So I'm gonna add more of this aloe vera. Yeah. And another 2 teaspoons. Okay, 3 teaspoons of my carrot oil. So just let it mix until you get the desired creamy. I add more. It's good if you use the mixer. If you have mixer, it's good. So when you get this consistency, that means it's okay. See how beautiful it is? Now it's time to add the vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna add 2 vitamin E oil. Yan. And essential oil for how many drops? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Love the smell. And just keep on mixing. Mix thoroughly para lahat mag-mix ang vitamin E tsaka yung kanyang essential oil. Bango. And now, this is my DIY carrot cream. Yan. If you want, you can add more oil or aloe vera. Yan. But because I want my skin to get moisturized, I put more oil. Kaya yan siya. And this is it, guys. After after mixing, so ito na siya. Ready to transfer into my Mason clean jar. So, yun ang kanyang texture. So easy. It's for glowing skin. This cream is for glowing and moisturizing cream. Now let's transfer to our Mason jar. So, there you go, guys. Ang aking DIY carrot cream. So, yeah, hope you learned something. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to keep you updated on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!